Silver Ruffin from Malaysia, and today we got some unboxing or unpackaging. Okay, let's check out this package. It's from Norway. I ordered this I think about 2 weeks ago, and finally it came. So let's do the cutting up. And over here we got 5 silver coins. Let's see, over here. We got the first one. We got a nice panda. (2007). Nice casing. I've never seen this casing before. Okay, the next coin. Next coin, we got something different. Okay, and that is Uganda, 2,000 shillings. Year 2000. Pythagoras Millennium. He was a famous mathematician. There we go, and let's go to the next one. Open it up. Oh. Okay, this is from Ireland, 10 euro. 10 euro. 2004. Beautiful. Nice casing. Go to the next coin. And we got, look at that, with hologram. This is a Mongolia Millennium 2000, 1998. And over there it says Mongolia 500. I've got the currency here, I think Tugrik or Turk, something like that. Yep. Let's go for the last one. Ooh, this is a nice one. China 5 Yuan. Then you can see the lion dance. Yeah. And at the back we have the Great Wall of China, 1995. This is a proof coin. Beautiful. See you later.